I see, I see.
Yeah, when you get another car coming, it's a problem.
If you want, I can start my Google Maps, but I don't know if it will work here.
No, so load is fine. Just that the president,
And what does it mean?
The load is fine, but the president is passing.
Ah, president is passing, so everything is blocked. I get it.
Yeah, they have blocked all the entrances.
Ah.
So I'm looking for any way I can reach the main without waiting for him.
But just be careful. I think we have enough time.
This even is difficult side.